everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a new choreography, specifically a jazz choreography. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna say it again, this is what I usually do when I start creating a choreography. I'm like talking to myself, just going around, and let's see what we come up to. Now, one thing before you start choreographing, and don't forget, you need to choreograph your dance according to your dancers. Yes, it's good to challenge your dancers, but if you want to do a double stack and a calypso and just an aerial and your dancers can't do it, they're beginners, you need to adapt to their needs. So be careful with that. The first thing you need to do is to choose a song or create a choreography and then choose a song that goes with it, if that makes sense. But the first thing I do is I usually choose the music. The first thing you need to think about is how are you going to start? Okay, so for me, it's different. I think it depends on the choreographer because sometimes a choreographer has an idea and you can choose whatever you want. So you can start from the bottom, from the floor, basically. You can start facing back, facing to the side, facing to the front, facing to the other side, kind of on your knees, right here, here. There's so many positions. Well, you cannot start jumping in the air, right? You cannot just stay there jumping. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm just going to start from just facing to the front. I'm gonna start with a cross ball change. So this will be my opening of the choreography. So I can start right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. You can choose whatever you want. So we start right here. I'm gonna cross in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have my 7 over here. So all my weight is on my left leg. Let me show you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 right here. Now, if all my weight is on my left side, I need to use my right side, correct? So I have different choices. I can bring it to the front, to the side, or to the back. In this case, I want to do a jump. So I'm right here, I'm going to jump and bring it back. Or you can jump and bring it to the front, jump, bring it to the side, jump, or cross. So you have 4 different choices. You pick the one that goes together with your choreography. Okay, so I have 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. I'm gonna choose to the back because I have an idea after this. Now, my weight is still on my left. I need to still use my right unless I do a ball change and change my weight. But right now I'm gonna use my right, which is in the back. I'm gonna start doing, so I wanna go around to that side. I can go around, no, it sounds very, yeah, I think I'm gonna do a kick ball change. So kick ball change, kick ball change. There! Now I'm facing to the side, right there. My right is still in the back. I still have all my weight in my left. Let me show you how it looks from the back. So I have 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close at 7. Up 8, and 1 and 2, right here. Now you're looking to the side. Sorry, right here. If all my weight is in my left side, I'm thinking I can do a pirouette inside. I can do a chassé to the side. I can change my weight and actually jump with my left to the back. What should I choose? Okay, so kick ball change, kick ball change. I think I want a chassé. I want to go back to that spot. So I'm gonna go with the chassé. Now you can use 2 chassés. You can use the one to the side. You can use the one to the back. It's up to you. I'm gonna use the one to the side. Right here. Now I am both legs are facing to the front, my body is facing to the front. What can I do? Now you have to think about this. You've been up, it means like on the floor the whole time, like standing up. I need either jump or either go down to the floor. Because remember, all choreographies need levels. If you stay on one level, it tends to be boring. So you want to be up, you want to be down, you want to be in the middle, you want to, releve, you want to use all those, levels. Okay, so we're right here. Now, I want to go to the floor. What can I use? Well, I'm thinking, I can use a turn. You know what, let's change that, let's change it. So I was right here. I'm gonna choose to go to the side and I wanna turn my body over there because I wanna do a roll on the floor. And if my left is ready right here, I can put it down and I can turn right here. Now, you have different choices. You can do one, A. You can do both, yay. You can do just a body roll. You can do a normal one right here. What do we want to do? Let's do the normal one. So we keep it with beginners. So we're gonna roll to the front right here. Now you are like in a mermaid position right here. What can you do? What I'm thinking is you can lift this leg up. You can lift, so you can use it to raise yourself up. You can turn right here and step. You can, let me think, what else we can do? So we're right here. Oh, we can go around and fall to the other side. We can elevate our leg right here. What else can we do? We just can roll. We can go around. That's always fun. Right? Okay, let's take it from the top. So we start, we're right here, and we start 5, 6. We can start right here. You can add like some changes to the position in front. At the beginning, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Right left. 7, 8. From here, I think I want to do a 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna push myself up. You see? Push yourself up and stand up. As simple as that, right? Okay, so the question here is, what's next? Usually a lot of people get stuck in what can I do next? Just think about it. Where have you been and where are you going? If you are on the floor, you need to go up, right? But if you're in the level, like the just standing up level, you need up. So I think we need a jump now. Because I already did this was a little hop, it wasn't a jump per se. So let's do it again. I'm gonna do it from the back so you can see it. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 up 6, 5 up 6. So I landed right here. What can I do? And then you start playing with your movements. Play, hand, back, around. Something good is gonna come up, I promise. Okay, so here, maybe I can do around the jump. I don't think I like it. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 up 6. Whew. I was landing wrong. So just play with it. Fall to the side, fall to the back. Let's see what you can You can use up, you can use just close to you, you can use down, but you have to make sure that your dancers have the balance to do those turns. So let me see. Choo choo, I stood up, and 1, 2. I don't do it right here, I don't like it. Because I want to land to the front so I can do a jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a jump right there. So I'm here. 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. I kind of like that. 3, 3, and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So you can start playing with that. Don't be afraid nobody's looking at you, except for you right now. Okay, so I'm here. I think I like them. I think I'm gonna do like a glissade opening to the side. Here. Yeah, I like that. But I want a jump more complicated than that. So maybe here I can do just a jeté right here, leap. Let me see how it looks. Let's start from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. What is here? Oh, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, up 5, 6. See, this is where you stop and think, what's up with the arms? What I usually do, think about it. If you go down, the way you come up, stop right there and look what your arms are doing. Usually, your arms will go with the most natural position for the arms, and that means that your dance will probably do that as well. So that will help. Let's do it again. So we have right here, I go around, up, and up. This is my arms right here. But I need the other arms to turn to the left. Let's turn to the other side then. This is where you make changes, and that's okay. Make your changes, even if the dance is finished. You can always make changes. So right here, I'm gonna turn to the side, same, and now I'm gonna turn here and here. Now, whew. I don't like the jump and the jump. So I think I'm gonna do something. I was on the middle. I went to the floor. I jumped, but it was a little hop. And I'm here. What can I do here? This start, you need to move around. Around, move around, move around, move around, move around, move around. I know. I'm not that silly, I promise. No, I am a little bit. Okay. Around, here, here. I didn't really have I don't have anything that is like, stationary. So that might work. So I'm here, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, kind of like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo! That's it right there. That's a keeper. So we have 1, 2. My leg is already on point. It's ready. It's begging me to do a chaîné. Right here and open, plie, and jump. Yes, that right there. Liking it. This is what I usually do. Right now I'm teaching you, what is it? 2 8s, 3 8s. Imagine having to do the whole song for a competition. And it's not just this. Once you're done with this is what you teach the group, right? And then you have to have different groups within that group to do different things. Whew. A choreographer's job is a never-ending thing. Let's do it from the top and let's see if it works. Let's see it. Okay, ready? Let's start over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump. Yes, I like it. Whoop, whoop. Whew. That was tiring, y'all. Okay, I hope this tutorial actually helped you somehow. This is what I usually do, and it has been working for me very well. Just remember, don't be afraid, explore. If you're here, explore. Where can you go? Where can you go? Where can you go? You see, if you have the creativity to go where nobody else has gone before. No, you have to be creative to actually explore all the sides. Improvisation, that's something else, but right now, when you're choreographing, start in the middle and do it. Go up, go down. What can you find that you like? Here at the back. Oh, maybe I like this position. Let's start with this one. And 1, and 2. So you start following what feels good to your body. And that's it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.